My name's Mark Burgess, I'm the CEO of Iceberg Digital, and we've been responsible for tons of different innovations in the property sector over the last 20 years. Today I want to talk to you about some of the common problems that agents who have been around for a while feel that they might have when it comes to finding a new way of working. They look at a system like Lifecycle or any other software out there and potentially think to themselves, I'm kind of happy with the way I work. I don't really want to have to learn a whole new way of working. But at the same time, there's something that nags away at them, saying, you know, there's other people out there doing things much more efficient than you are, working different ways, getting more business. You're possibly going to get left behind at some point. So how do you balance those two things? Well, the good news is that you actually already do this in your everyday life. There was a point in time, if you're old enough like me, whereby you never had a mobile phone. Then there was a point in time where you had a Nokia mobile phone, and now you carry a supercomputer around in your pocket and you swipe through it and use it like it's no problem. You do the same thing in your everyday life with the computers that you use at work. Once upon a time, you used pen and paper. Now you use a computer to do it. And I get the fact that you don't want to have to learn a whole new system, but any systems that you do learn should have their own intuitive ways of doing things. If you look at Lifecycle, you just do the everyday work that you've always done as an estate agent. You book viewings, you book valuations, you do sales progression. There's only a certain amount of ways that you can do that stuff. Yeah, okay, maybe the buttons are in a different place, but you're pretty familiar with how to do that. The beauty is that in the background, Lifecycle is also a marketing software. So all the valuations that you didn't win will continually be nurtured and stay in touch with. And then the technology will mine through your database of old valuations, people that registered that said they had a house to sell but it never went anywhere, instant valuations that you did. You'll continually be mining through all that data while you're busy doing your everyday work, and then it will just bring you a list in the mornings and say, hey, you should probably speak to these people. These are the people where you might get your next listings. So it's doing work for you 24/7. Even when you get inquiries from portals, the system will qualify those people. It knows who's got houses to sell. You don't have to spend your time doing it, so you can talk to the right people. If you get tenants registering with you, it'll qualify all of those tenants for you, saving you loads of time. There's not loads and loads of difficult technology you have to learn. It's just a simpler way of working.